What's happening, guys? Check it out, man. Beginning of March, absolutely gorgeous outside. I don't know, I used to live in New York. I don't know how you guys do it. It's beautiful here, man. There's palm trees. It's beautiful. It's warm. I'm literally heading to the ocean right now. So this mass following thing, leave it to me. I'll dig down into the algorithm and figure some stuff out. And guess what I did? I got a secret. I found something out. For people that know me, well, if you know, you know. So look, I got a secret. I'm going to tell you in a second. I'm going to get down into the details. Stick around. This is going to be a good one. Okay, so hit the search bar. Type in MassFollow with a hashtag. Once you get the results, a group of videos should pop up. Make sure you select the one that auto plays first. We all know the basics. Play the video for at least 5 to 6 seconds, then repost, add to faves, comment with the hashtag MassFollow, and make sure you hit the love button. You can also press the screen and hit multiple loves. That actually helps the algorithm. Okay, so you've completed the 4 basic steps that everybody's following to help the algorithm. So now we're at the actual comment screen. So go back to the comment button and select comments. As you can see, with 34,700 plus people commenting on this one particular post, this person's getting a lot of traction. So while you're in this window, I want you to search with the comments with the most replies. Make sure that you like it with the heart button. After you hit like it with the heart button, I want you to open up the reply view, and I want you to like each of the replies. With each of the replies, I want you to at least respond one time with a hashtag that says MassFollow. We can do this. Make sure it's at least 4 words long. Do this at least 10 to 15 times on at least 10 to 15 different replies and the replies within. What this will do is that it'll attract all the people that have loved and liked and responded and replied and put you on their radar, and they will in turn do it to you. Pay attention, this next step's a huge time saver. So you make sure that you type in your text for what you want to put in your replies in the comments. Right click, hold down, and select copy. Once you copy it, it goes into your clipboard. That's very important. Every time you go to make a comment, you're going to want to right click, hold down, and find your clipboard. Once you find your clipboard, it should pop up in your Android. You can actually take that text and just press on it. It'll automatically populate your comment box. So you're not typing this every time you go to make a comment. Man, what a relief it was when I found that shortcut. It just saves a ton of time, especially if you're doing something like this repetitively. Okay, so once you've found your window and you've hit your reply and found your actual text inside your clipboard, you can just hit that. It'll automatically populate the window. Hit the arrow, enter the comment, and then move on to the next one. So hopefully you found that video very helpful. Listen, this works. Just go through the steps, slow the video down, watch it over again, save it. Save it to your local phone so you could watch it repetitively until you get these steps down. It's really not that hard. Once you get it done, just start doing it, man. Do it every day. Don't waste your time with all this other garbage. I'm telling you right now, this is going to work for you. Follow the steps. Let's get to the top of TikTok together. Thanks again, man. Appreciate the watching. Don't forget, share the love. Spread this video around. Share it, send it, love it, like it, comment. You know the drill. Follow the steps. MassFollow. Let's get to the top of TikTok.